Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to find the best scenario on the Endel application by the help of using these functions on the app. You will be able to listen to sounds that will help you to achieve your goals or accomplish your aims according to your atmosphere or surroundings. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the scroll down till you find this scenarios section. If you scroll to the right side of the screen, you can see that there are a bunch of options ranging from deep work to airplane and homework options. So you can choose the best one which suits your surrounding and the current situation the best. If you need a calm working environment while you are doing your work, you should select the deep work option, or if you do your homework, you can also select the homework option, which will suit your requirements. So just simply tap on one that you prefer, and then as you can see, you can change the duration time of your session by tapping on this button in the middle of the screen, ranging from 5 minutes to 120 minutes. So just simply tap on the one that you would like to use, and then if you are done with this step, all you have to do is pressing the button start down below, thereby starting your session. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.